it comes in some of the exams. Now, the question says, it's a lot of words. They give you this information and they ask you to find the area of triangle OEF. So this triangle, we need to find the area. To find the area of the triangle, it's half times base times height. Right? So if we got to know what's the base and what's the height, we finish. The base is EF. We don't know how long is that. And the height is somewhere here. So let's add them. So this is the height. We are looking for that. And this is the base. We are looking for that. If we got these two, we finished. Now, to find EF, let's focus on this shape here. The external, the secants theorem. So we know CD times the dB, the external, times the total. So dB times CP is equal to FB times the total, which is EP. Let's just write it. So dP times CP is equal to FP times EP. Now let's substitute the values. dP is 20, CP is 32 because it's 12 plus 20. And then FP is 16 times EP. Now 20 times 32 is 640 is equal to 16 times EP. Let's divide both sides by 16. We got EP equals 40, but we don't want EP, we want EF. EF is going to be 40 minus this part. So it's 40 minus 16, which is 24. That's very good. So we got this part to be 24. Now we just need the height. To find the height, let's focus on this triangle here. Now, if you look at this part here, it's a right angle triangle, right? Because this is 15, that means this is 15. And because it's isosceles, this height will bisect the base. So it's going to be 12 and 12. Now we can use Pythagoras on this triangle, right? We have 15, we have 12, we need this. Let's just call them A, B, and C like in Pythagoras. Let's solve Pythagoras theorem now. We know C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So C squared is 15 squared, A squared is 12 squared, plus B squared, which we are looking for. That means 225 is equal to 144 plus B squared. 144 plus 81 is 225. That means B squared is 81. So B is just 9. Very good. So we found B and we found A. Let's find the area. So the area is half times base times height. So it's half times, the base is 24 and the height is 9. So it's half times 24 times 9. Plug that in your calculator. It gives you 108 and it's centimeters square because it's area. This is